So this guy we used to call him Bun Up. And the reason he's called Bun Up, because after every passage in the Bible or everything, he would punctuate it with Bun Up. So I'm saying, and the Lord said, there shall be light. Bun Up. The Bun Up was, I guess, if you slip, you're going to go to hell, and you went Bun Up.
Because hear what? I read the comments, and especially the positive comments persons, and one person wrote that them can't believe that Bun Up was around so long.
Oh, because they knew him.
Yeah.
They knew him. Bun Up. Bun Up was...
So persons, if you know Bun Up, please write in the comment section.
He must have died by now.
Yeah, where would that train be coming from?
From Montego Bay to Kingston.
To Kingston.
Right. So I think I told you in the last interview that my parents separated in 61. That's why we moved to town.
Okay.
My mother went to Kingston with us, right? So we used to have to spend holidays in Montego Bay. We kids would go back to stay with him for holidays, long holidays, and then we'd take the diesel back and forth. So going back to Kingston, we would take the diesel. You understand? That's how we were regular at the diesel.
So Bun Up. What was Bun Up physical appearance like?
I remember him. He was short, a black guy, and he always wore a suit. You never see him anything but him suit.
Okay.
And it was, if I remember correctly, it was mostly a brown suit, tie, dressed to the nines, Because he's a church man. He's a preacher. But, and he sweated profusely.
Of course. Tropical weather.
He sweated, yes, and of course, because he was always energized, always talking strenuously, he would be sweating, and sometimes he'd go, Bun Up! And he'd sweat. So he wipe his sweat, so. Bun Up!
So wait, when you're on the train, is he standing? How is he preaching that sermon?
I guess they have their sea legs, like on a boat.
Yeah.
He's not holding on. No, I'm not holding on. He's holding on to his Bible. And the train not going fast anyway. The train going slow. And I suppose when it stopped, him have to hold on. Because we're going to get jerked up. But we kids, Bun Up actually was the more entertaining of the itinerant preachers. Because if a really serious person come on, it's so boring. You know what I mean? So we kids used to look forward to Bun Up.
Did he get a good collection at the end?
Yes.
Indeed?
Of course. Of course. He was well known,
Wow.
So people would look forward and say, Bun Up, come on yet. Bun Up, come on yet. Yes.
Wow.
And then he also had, you'd also see him in the town square in Montego Bay. He would have his little soapbox all about the place. Kareems Quest.